So guys, for a 99 Maxima or this body style, the issue with the no crank no start is this little thing right here. I had the connector on there. I just took it off to see if I could get a better connection without the actual connector. And the issue is not really here. You could fiddle it around and sometimes you'll get it to start and sometimes it won't, but it's not quite here. What I ended up doing is just running a whole new wire from this point here all the way on the inside of the car. Behind this fuse box, there's this connector right here. You can just click the button here, pull it out, and this wire, the blue and red wire, just connect to it. You'll be fine. What I did is I just stuck this wire right in the connection and then I plugged the connector back in, and it seems to work well. Give that a try.